What if your next home could be delivered on a truck, unfold in just a few hours, and instantly become a spacious, modern living space? Welcome back to Smart Home Hub. Today, we're exploring one of the most exciting innovations in modern housing, the convenient, foldable, and expandable container house. This isn't just another tiny home. It's a luxury, double-wing modular home that combines portability, fast installation, stylish design, and comfortable living into one impressive package. Could this be the future of affordable housing, vacation homes, Airbnb rentals? At first glance, it looks like a standard shipping container, but that's only part of the story. With its innovative double-wing expandable design, the side sections fold outward to dramatically increase the interior living space. Instead of feeling cramped like many traditional container homes, this design creates an open, bright, and comfortable environment that's surprisingly spacious. It's easy to see why expandable container homes are becoming increasingly popular. A home is only as good as the materials it's built from. This expandable container house features a reinforced steel frame for structural strength, while insulated sandwich wall panels help improve comfort throughout the year. The walls are designed to provide insulation and weather resistance, making the home suitable for a variety of climates when installed correctly. The exterior has a modern, minimalist appearance with clean lines, while large windows allow plenty of natural light to enter the living space. Combined, these materials create a home that's durable, attractive, and designed for long-term. The biggest highlight is definitely the double-wing folding mechanism. During transportation, the house remains compact, reducing shipping space and making delivery more efficient. Once it arrives at the destination, both side wings expand outward, creating a much larger interior footprint. This clever engineering offers the convenience of portability while delivering the comfort of a traditional home. Compared to building a conventional house, setup can be significantly faster, though actual installation time depends on site preparation, equipment, and local conditions. Step inside and the transformation is remarkable. Despite its compact transport size, the interior feels open and functional. Typical layouts include a welcoming living room, a fully equipped kitchen, a comfortable bedroom, a modern bathroom, storage areas. Large windows help brighten the space with natural light, while the thoughtful layout maximizes every square foot. Many suppliers also offer customization options. One of the biggest advantages of this expandable home is its flexibility. It can serve as a permanent tiny home, a vacation house, an Airbnb rental, a backyard office, a coffee shop, an art studio, a campsite cabin, a guest house, emergency accommodation, construction site housing. Its portable design makes it an attractive solution for both residential and commercial applications. The insulated wall panels help improve indoor comfort by reducing heat transfer. Many owners also choose to enhance efficiency with upgrades such as solar panels, LED lighting, energy-efficient air conditioning, double-glazed windows, smart home automation, rainwater collection systems. These additions can help improve sustainability and reduce operating costs over time. Transporting the home is straightforward thanks to its foldable structure. After delivery, the expandable wings are unfolded and secured into position. Once connected to utilities and installed on a suitable foundation, the home is ready for occupancy. Installation requirements vary depending on local regulations, so always verify zoning laws, permits, and utility requirements before purchasing. Pros: innovative double-wing expandable design, spacious interior after unfolding, modern contemporary appearance, portable and transport-friendly, fast installation compared with conventional construction, reinforced steel frame, insulated wall panels, multiple customization options, suitable. No product is perfect. Depending on your location, you'll need to consider local building permits, foundation preparation, utility connections, transportation costs, installation services. Included features and specifications can also vary by manufacturer, so always review the seller's listing carefully before ordering. So, is the convenient foldable and expandable container house worth considering? If you're looking for a modern, portable, and flexible living solution, it certainly offers an exciting alternative to traditional housing. Its innovative expandable design, comfortable interior, durable construction, and wide range of possible uses make it a compelling option for homeowners, investors, businesses, and anyone interested in modern modular. That's our review of the convenient, foldable, and expandable container house. Would you live in one of these modern modular homes? Or would you use it as an Airbnb, vacation cabin, office, or guest house? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest reviews of smart homes, innovative